In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a Microsoft Word document into Google Docs easily by just following a simple step. So here is my Microsoft Word document that is available in the downloads in the example folder. I want to convert it into Google Docs. So all we have to do is just open docs.google.com. And from here, what you need to do is just access Google Drive. To access Google Drive, you can either go to drive.google.com or otherwise just click on the hamburger or 3 lines icon. Click on Drive and make sure to upload that document into Google Drive. Click on New File Upload. Go to the location. Here it is. I'll just uploaded this. It is named as Forest Story. With click Open and it is loading in Google Docs. So this is how you can easily convert just by uploading the document and opening it, and it will be right away converted to Google Docs. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.